cooking channel. Today we will be making congee. To make congee, you will need rice. Step 1. Put the rice into the pot. For this step, you will also need water and a pot. You will also need a functioning gas stove. Now we move on to the plants. Now we need the ginger. There is no way in hell you are making me cut all of that. Then you put it in. Before that, make sure to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and this much MSG. Next, add the chicken broth. Okay, let's get a taste. Ah, that's hot. That's hot. Wow, it tastes like shiitake mushrooms are edible fungi with many vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds. They may help lower cholesterol.
It's Albert Einstein! It's Albert Einstein!
This better taste good.